Good afternoon here. We are coming to you from Deland, Florida. Coming to you from the Deland Amtrak station. We're here just to check out all the train stations in Florida, and this is another one on our list. So let's go see what this train station has to offer. Let's go make some memories.
Oh, you do?
Alright, so here we are inside the train station. There's a nice little waiting area inside here.
Do I have to check in on something? Yes.
Some artwork on the walls. Restrooms are back here. There's a ladies' room back here and some vending machines you can stock up before your train comes.
Yes. Yes. Tampa. Johnson. Yes.
So, look about 115 right now.
I'll take tomorrow.
And this is the rest of the train station here. There's like a little gazebo back over here. There's a lot of people here, so it's making me think the train's coming, but I just heard the guy inside saying it wasn't coming for another hour or so. So, I'm gonna head over here to this little gazebo and check it out. Okay, there's bricks down here with everybody's names on. Oh wow, there's a cardinal over there. I don't know if I got him on video or not. There's a cardinal in the tree. Let me see if I can sneak up on him. He took off. And just a little tip to you guys, right here, this is the train station right here, the Deland, historic Deland, Florida train station. Just to the road right here, which is New York Avenue, I believe it's called, there's a little place here. It's the In-Between Bar. It says welcome bikers. But it's just a good tip if you're taking the Amtrak in or out of Deland and you got a little bit of time to kill and you want to grab something to drink or something to eat, there's a nice little spot right there where you can head in, and it's walking distance. It's literally right there. A lot of these small city train stations don't have anything like that, so it's nice to know that there's a little spot nearby that you can pop in and grab a quick bite to eat or a quick drink before your train, or right after your train before your ride comes to pick you up. And the Deland station here does have a lot of parking. Like I said, it's pretty full right now because there must be a train getting ready to come soon. So people are dropping off and dropping other people off, which is kind of cool. There's something about railroad tracks that's just calming. I don't know what it is. I can just walk along railroad tracks for a very, very long distance of time. You can see there's a second set of tracks here, but they must not use them because it's all overgrown with weeds. Maybe back in the day they used to have a lot more activity here. I know there's talks about expanding the Sunrail out this way into Volusia County, so at least they've got the tracks for that whenever the time comes. There's just something about walking along train tracks. I could walk miles on train tracks and it wouldn't even feel like miles. I don't know what it is. I've always been fascinated with them. I know I'm not the only person that way. A lot of people love trains. So, it just is like looking at train tracks going down the road just makes you think of possibilities, I guess. Like what lies over there that can open up doors for us. The only way to know is to hop on that train and check it out. Who are you? Who are you? Oh my goodness, who are you? Who are you? Who are you? You waiting for the train? So the train station here services Amtrak going southbound all the way down to Miami and going northbound as far as New York. There's the Silver Star and the Silver Meteor, which travel on these tracks over here. So if you're heading anywhere up and down the East Coast and you're heading all the way down to Orlando or further points further to the south, you've passed through the station. This finishes up our visit here to the train station in Deland, Florida. There's not much to really see at this station. It's been typical of a lot of the other stations we've come across so far, where there's just a basic waiting area similar to in scope and size to the one that's in Winter Haven, Florida. If you like this video, if you like these style of videos, give this a big thumbs up. Let us know that you're enjoying the content we're putting out there. Also, leave a comment down below. If you're a big train person, Amtrak person, let us know which train station to check out in Florida still. We're gonna try and hit everyone in the state and then maybe spread nationwide. Why not? All right, thanks for watching. If you're already subscribed, thank you. If not, hit that button down below. We'd love to have you as part of the channel, and we will see you soon.